Now I want to tell you few facts, points of concurrency. That is, what do you mean by the point of concurrency? If three or more lines passes through the same point, we say that lines are concurrent. But here in the chapter of triangle, I want to explain you that if three medians in a triangle are drawn, medians means a line segment. I am talking about medians. What is the meaning of median? A line segment start from vertex, meet the midpoint of opposite side. That is, D is the midpoint of BC, then AD is the median. Second median is BE. The meeting point of two medians is suppose G, then you have to see, you will verify with activity of the paper folding or by actual drawing. You can see third median will also pass through the same point where two medians were passing, were intersecting. So my purpose is to tell you three medians of a triangle are concurrent, pass through same point. The point of concurrency is known as centroid. We call the name of this point where all three medians meet is centroid, and centroid is always inside the triangle, whether triangle may be of any nature, meaning by isosceles, equilateral, obtuse, acute, right, whatever it is. So median. Now one more fact, if three medians of a triangle are equal, if all medians are equal, triangle is equilateral. Triangle is always equilateral. If two medians are equal, if two medians are same, we call it, what we call it? Isosceles. Triangle is said to be isosceles. One more fact of the medians I want to tell you, that in a triangle median separates in 2:1, meaning by AG is to GD is 2:1. Similarly, BG is to GE is also 2:1. Similarly, I can say CG is to GF is also 2:1. So what are the facts about the medians? Where two medians intersect, third medians pass through the same point. This property is known as the medians of a triangle are concurrent, and point of concurrency is said to be centroid. Centroid separates the median in the 2:1 as shown, that AG is to GD, BG is to GE and CG is to this. If three medians of a triangle, that is all medians are equal, triangle is said to be equilateral. If two medians are equal, we call it the point, that is the triangle is isosceles. All three medians are different, we call the triangle is scalene. So this is one of the fact about the medians. Now I want to tell you facts about the other 3 points. What are these 3 points? Second point I want to discuss with you is about the altitude. That is, in a triangle, you know, 3 vertices, 3 sides. So there are 3 altitudes. In a triangle ABC, if 2 altitudes meet at a point, suppose O, or you can say it is M, then third altitude will also pass through the same point. So same way you can say altitudes of a triangle are also concurrent, and point of concurrency, that is known as where the medians meet, it was centroid. This point is known as orthocenter. But there is no specific property that orthocenter divides in some particular ratio. Orthocenter may be outside, may be on the side, or may be inside. This depends upon the nature of triangle. If triangle is obtuse, orthocenter is outside. Triangle is acute, it is inside. Triangle is right angled, then orthocenter is the midpoint of the hypotenuse. If three altitudes are equal, triangle is equilateral. 2 are equal, isosceles, none is equal. It is known as the scalene triangle. Now next about the angle bisectors. I am talking about explaining about angle bisectors where two angle bisectors meet. The angle bisectors 2 meets, third angle bisector will also pass through the same point. So you can conclude that three angle bisectors meet at same point and it is known as the point of concurrency. That is what it is known as incenter of triangle. Now about the perpendicular bisectors of a triangle. If there is a triangle named as P, then Q, then R. If triangle is PQR, then I can draw the right bisector of the two of the sides where they meet. It is known as the point. As in case of medians, it was what? It was centroid. In case of perpendicular bisectors, what is the name? This is known as circumcenter. And property of this point is that it is equidistant from three vertices. In case of angle bisectors, the point of concurrency was incenter and that was equidistant from sides. Here, in case of the perpendicular bisectors, where three perpendicular bisectors meet is known as circumcenter, point of concurrency, and the important thing is to note here that this point is equidistant from three vertices. So, what you want to conclude that if three medians meet, point of concurrency is centroid. If three angle bisectors meet, point of concurrency is the incenter, is equidistant from the three sides. If three altitudes meet, point of concurrency is known as orthocenter, and if three perpendicular bisectors meet, it is known as circumcenter, which is equidistant from three vertices of a triangle.